Alright, switching guns to starboard side, turning port. Should be loading.
No, he's still backing up.
What?
I see him.
Man. I can't get a beat on him, he's behind the island.
I hit him.
Excellent.
Dancer got his torpedoes. He's gone.
Excellent. Flying squid is out. Okay, starboard
Slip.
guns.
We got Slip B coming up here.
Slip B coming up. Alright, moving guns over. Looks like you're in the red zone.
Oh
Coming
yeah.
up behind you. I got full knots. Slip B's at 6K. I can do it at 6K. Should I switch to AP?
You may or may not have time. I'm shooting and shifting right now.
HE at 5K is pretty down. Oh, he's leaving. I got a bad ad targeting. 5K? If I could hit him with AP. Oh yeah, I got a lot on him.
Yeah, he's turning. He's coming about.
Excellent. So I should get his port side.
Yes, you are.
Alright. We got 6K.
He's turning. He's steady now. Not turning more.
Give me a little
he's
more.
turning.
Yeah, give me a little more. Shot.
He's second
Two
across.
guns.
Not bad. I'm about to give him another side as well. Look at that, guys. Whew.
I'll stop.
How can I get
Oh yeah, Chester Slip B is at 7K and on fire, so that means put him on. He's going around the island, so next target is the... Oh, he's
Yeah,
going
His South Carolina is trying to get behind it. I'm going to keep with him.
increasing speed, and I'm going to turn to starboard. I should be able to see everybody. Good question. Should I keep my guns on starboard at this turn or not?
That
Take
works.
pictures. Take pictures, Desmond, and then send them over to Jeffson. Practice Control G eliminates all the highlights, and then function print screen takes your picture. Then you Alt Tab to get out of the game. Go into Paint, paste into Paint, quickly save it. Go back to the game. Control G, bring back your highlights.
He's come to stop.
I'm swinging
He's
to.
come all stop.
All right.
He's trying to swing on me right now. Alright, and we're clear. Game on.
Coming up behind you.
Woohoo!
Oh, Slip B is hiding. Both Slip
Yes, he
B.
is. That's what I'm going to try to do. I just got to reload. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
He's launching secondaries. Into you can hit him. If you get inside 5K, your secondary guns will start shooting.
Got him.
Oh, you killed this cruiser. Coming up on Battleship. This is a 3 versus 1 scenario. Destroyer's torpedo machine.
Yeah, I only got 2 though. I think if he gets both, they're not going to fucking hurt him. They're not going to hurt him too bad.
One's good. It'll start causing flooding. Yep, he's on flood.
Yep, and I'm about to open up. See ya!
Just in range. Should I go?
Ooh, 5 hits.
Did you run aground?
Of course. Yeah, this way, keep going on.
Oh my.
What you can do is when you run aground, you all stop and you don't hurt yourself. So then you all back emergency, reverse the rudder.
3K. What can I hit for 3K? How about his face? Oh, 2,700 plus he's on fire. I'm switching to AP rounds because he's at like 3K. AP rounds on a 3K on a battleship is like penetration of Citadel. Oh,
yeah.
Secondaries are shooting. Oh, I forgot we're in that. Yes, run away, little man, run away. Coming right, half rotor. Yes, he's out of his gun range. He can only hit us with his aft guns now. Swinging north. Am I gonna hit you, Jeff? No, you're fine. Okay.
Oh, the
Okay,
fuck,
steady.
oh man.
I'll protect you.
I was going to hit the ground again, so you can go by me.
Goodbye. One hit to the Citadel. 3,000 points of damage. Wow. AP rounds at 3